Alright, we've got A minor first of all. You actually start on the 5th string, skipping the 4th string. Same with the C chord.
Do the left hand.
So I'll do now the right hand. Okay, now I've got the C chord, so you just move your ring finger up. Make sure with the right hand, it's exactly the same strings as before. So I'll do that one more time. Excellent. Now for the F chord, you've got the one that just basically move the C chord, the ring finger and middle finger down, and then if you are so inclined, you can also bar your index finger. So that's your F chord, and your right hand, now, you've got to push your thumb from the 5th string down to the 4th string. These 3 fingers still maintain the same. So I'll do that one more time. And then we have a 5 on the 1st string and a 3 on the 2nd string, and we pluck both of those, and then we move the 5 to a 4. So it looks like this. I'll do that one more time. Now I'll do it all in quavers. One more time. One more time. Now to do it at full speed.